Introducing our new design best cell manipulator welding robot arm, the Kuka welding robot that promises to revolutionize your production processes. With features such as improved efficiency, enhanced work safety, and the ability to adapt to various tasks, this industrial robot arm ensures top-quality welding results while reducing labor intensity and material waste. Trust in our CE ISO-certified product for intelligent, automatic operation. Contact us for customized designs and excellent after-sales support.